Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Grape oil, also called grape seed oil, is obtained from the seeds of the fruit which aren't used for wine production. It's rich in good fat and is very good for treating arthritis and joint pain. Did you know that? Grapeseed oil has long been used as a cosmetic to improve the appearance of skin and hair, and recently other health benefits have been discovered for topical use. It can relieve the pain of rheumatic diseases. Arthritis, osteoarthritis and gout are chronic rheumatic diseases that causes inflammation of the joints. In rheumatic crisis, the high level of inflammation causes pain and can significantly limit movement. Due to its anti-inflammatory effect, grape oil can help relieve pain and improve circulation when massaged into the affected area. In addition, studies have also shown that grapeseed oil can increase the production of collagen, which is essential for maintaining healthy connective tissue in our joints. For best results, apply the oil topically and take it in capsule form or as salad dressing, etc. You can find grapeseed oil in health food stores, pharmacies and on specialized sites on internet. Always read the label because there's grapeseed oil for cosmetic use, grapeseed oil in capsules for consumption and even grapeseed oil for cooking. Although it's a little more expensive, it's worth choosing cold pressed grapeseed oil because it not only has more nutrient but also doesn't contain chemical solvents. If you use grapeseed oil for cooking, you should know that it can also help lower cholesterol, lose weight, prevent diabetes and even control blood sugar level. It should be remembered that vegetable oils rich in omega-6 in excess can cause inflammation in the body. Therefore, to avoid this side effect, you shouldn't consume more than 1 or 2 spoonfuls of this oil per day. Try to use grapeseed oil in salad dressing for grilling vegetable and lean meats or in healthy recipes. Did you enjoy learning more about this effective natural remedy for joint pain? Try it out and share your experience with us. I request all of you to keep yourself hydrated by drinking plenty of water, at least 2.5 liters per day, and say no to junk food and choose high fiber foods and exercise daily. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Ayurvedic remedies.